Hi, welcome back. Here today we're going to be looking at the Coral sign-up bonus, which is when we place our first £5 bet, they're going to give us £20 worth of free bets. Obviously, you're going to need the Coral website up. Link will be below the video. You're going to need our Betfair account in a separate tab and logged in. And then we're going to need our spreadsheet to record what we actually place bets on. So I'm going to click the button here now, go through the form, get myself signed up, and I'll see you back when I've got the account created. Okay guys, we're back. We've opened up our Coral account and I've deposited some funds ready to take our first bet on. You might be interested to know that is the top right hand corner where you can change fractions to decimals if indeed it's on fractions, because we're going to want it in decimals. I've got our match betting rookie toolbox open, so I've got the spreadsheets up to fill in all the data, and I've added our Coral to our deposits and withdrawal sheet. I've also added it into our list of bookkeepers that we've opened, and I'll be ready on the bet tracker after we've placed our qualifying bet. I've then got Betfair open, so we're prepared to lay off the bet that we place on Coral. The only other thing I've got open is a copy of the terms and conditions of the sign-up offer, just to remind me of basically it's the odds. I've deposited via a cash card, debit card, and the minimum odds that we need to bet on are 1.5. So like normal, I'm going to go and head over to football. I'm filming this on a Monday, so the Premier's just happened for the weekend, and there's some more matches coming up next weekend, so that's what I'm going to try and hunt down first of all. So here's the Premier, and we're looking for anything around 1.5. So here we go, Liverpool v Tottenham, and we'll go and key that in over on the betting exchange. Here we go, Liverpool are available to lay at 1.53. So let's go to our calculator, and they were to back at 1.5 and to lay at 1.53. Betfair commission is still 5%. Our lay stake is going to be £5.07 with a possible liability, or the liability will be £2.69. And our qualifying loss is going to be 19p. So that ticks all the boxes. We'll go ahead and place that bet. It's £5. Laying them at £5.07. Just going to double check that on the calculator. Okay, I'm happy with that. Bet's gone through on Coral. And we're confirmed with Betfair. I did notice straight away with Coral, this little balance up here changed. I had actually deposited £10. It's changed down to 5, but this red symbol's come up telling me we've got some free bets. And to view them, we can either go to my account and free bets. And here we go, £20 worth of free bets, and that's come in 4 different lots of £5. So I'll handle that shortly. First off, over to the bet tracker. And we are the 21st today. Okay, we've got the qualifier placed and we need to find some free bets. So we're going to head over to football again and have a look in the Premier League. Ideally here we want odds over 4 and not really higher than 6 or 7. The reason being that the higher the odds, the more we're going to have to the more we're going to have in liability on our Betfair account. We've got 4 bets to place. So we've got Arsenal and Crystal Palace. The draw is at 4.5. The draw is at 5-2. 4.5. 5-2 on the lay. It's going to give us a £3.23 profit. So we're aiming for anything between £3 and £4. But generally speaking, 3.5 to 4. That's what I'm happy with. But we'll go with that. That's not a bad bet. Crystal Palace at 4.5. Going to select one of these 3 bets. I'm going to lay 340 at 5.2. And that is placed. Over to the bet tracker. Okay, moving on. Free bet number 2. We've got Liverpool and Tottenham. We've got the draw at 4.4. Did that go into our bet slip? Yes, there it is. The draw at 5-1. $3.20 profit, lay stake $3.37. Okay, free bet number 3. We have, let's have a look, Burnley Chelsea. We've got the draw at 4-2. Let's do Burnley 4.25, laying at 4.9. £3.18 profit. And our lay stake is 3.35 because the liquidity here is only 8. So just keep an eye on that, guys. That's through with Coral and placed on the exchange. Okay, one more bet to find. And we got Norwich Man U. Norwich are on at 4.2. And they're here to lay at 4.6. Laying at 352. Okay, that's our Coral offer complete. We placed a qualifying bet for £5, received £20 worth of free bets, and our value that we've extracted is over £12. That brings our running profit up to £33.64, and so far we've opened a Will Hill account and a Coral account. So I'll see you in the next video.